Yes, all of you be ready? Start. I congratulate the college on its silver jubilee. It is indeed very important date in the life of any institution. Education is important for everybody, and education is something much wider than what you get in a school or a college. Life itself is one very big book. Every day is a page or a paragraph. Now all of you have read books, but what do the characters in books mean to you? They mean whatever you put in them. That is, each person will interpret a book or a character as we do painting in quite a different way. The education is such as will give you the capacity to keep on learning from all your experiences. Whatever we look like depends on how we have lived, what we have thought, and what we have done. Sometimes people have asked me how I have borne sorrow. I have been brought up to try and absorb joy and sorrow and make it a part of me, and this is our old philosophy. I do not think we can shut the door and drive sorrow away however much we want to. We have to accept that something has happened, and from that time onwards it is a part of ourselves. We can be weakened by it, we can be broken by it, we can be crushed by it, or we can use it as a source of strength, because all experience is strength. All the new knowledge that we gain and experience is the best knowledge, is a process of strengthening the personality. I hope that this is the use that you are going to make of your education here. Our age has been given many names: the scientific age, the nuclear age. Some say that it is a technological age. I think I would call it a mind expanding age. It is an age in which minds have expanded tremendously. Unfortunately, they have not always expanded in the right direction. I was happy to know that you lay a lot of stress on discipline. There are many kinds of discipline. There is discipline that is forced on you while you are made to be disciplined. You can shake off the discipline when you want to. But there is another discipline which is inside you and that stays with you always. That is the best kind of discipline. New ideas are being thrown up today in every sphere of activity, whether it is medicine, whether it is exploration of the mind, exploration of the earth, or the outer space. There are infinite possibilities before us, and education makes it possible for you to take part in this adventure. And this is why I come back to education again and again. It is through education that women can stand on their own feet and contribute to the nation and to society in many ways. Dear Sir, in response to our placing orders with you for supply of goods to us, we have received the same during the last week. On opening the packed goods, we find it necessary to call your immediate attention to the fact that there is a serious difference in the quality of goods recently supplied to us by your company. We feel that it is an unfortunate thing to happen. We are quite at a loss to understand this difference of quality, as our relations with you over many years have been on such a satisfactory basis that we both were proud of our business relation. In order that you may yourselves test the quality of these goods, we are returning to you today part of the last delivery which you made to us. We feel that you will certainly agree that these goods are not of the quality which we expect from you as a right. This matter is one of great importance both from our point of view and from yours. As a direct result, we have already personally had considerable trouble with our customers, and we are quite sure that any immediate profit you make from putting out such poor quality goods will be very quickly offset by a wide loss of trade throughout the country. We ourselves could not possibly continue to supply such goods to our customers. We hope that you will kindly write to us at an early date giving us your opinion of the returned goods, and that you will supply the goods of usual quality in place of those returned today. Further, we would like to draw your kind attention to the Yugadi festival, which is fast approaching. Definitely, as true businessmen, we are of the opinion that we must this time give a variety of latest choice to our customers. Hence, you may please let us know at the earliest whether you have any latest design and newly manufactured goods which could attract our customers. If so, please send us the catalog of such materials immediately so that we could place orders. Awaiting your prompt and early reply, yours truly. Dear sirs, we have great pleasure in introducing ourselves as one of the leading printers of modern calendars, diaries, and various attractive advertising materials. As the new year is approaching, I am sure you will realize that the best way to get more and more customers for the coming year is to supply them beautiful calendars. We wish to suggest that attractive picture calendars with your company's name printed on them will prove to be an excellent medium of advertisement. This will keep your company's name fresh in the memory of your customers for a full year. We have supplied such fine calendars to a number of leading firms in your place in past years, and all of them are continuously placing orders for more and more of these calendars. We would also like to suggest that another lasting way of drawing the attention of more and more new customers and retaining the existing ones is by supplying them good diaries with the name of your company prominently printed. In the diaries that we have supplied to firms like yours, very useful information needed by businessmen, executives, officials, and others is included. So anyone who is in possession of your diary will always remember you, as he will be using the information contained therein every day. Thus, a diary will serve as a gainful advertisement, as our business relation is a well-established one for a number of years, and as our reputation has been maintained well with the public, we not only expect you to replace the articles which have been broken, but also dispatch another consignment of 100 more items within. Our representative Mr. Velan, who is touring your district, will call on you sometime in the first week of the next month. He will then show you the samples of all the calendars and diaries. After having a look at them, you may place your order. We will promptly execute it and execute it to your fullest satisfaction, awaiting for your early and prompt action in this regard. Thanking you, yours faithfully.